Good evening. We're Group 4 Pour Over. I'm Annalyn Brookhammer, and our other members are Alex Lindsay and Alexis Ferris. And we're doing positive and negative TikTok trends that have gone viral. To start off with, we're going to go over the negative TikTok trends. The first one being the penny challenge. This challenge involves taking a penny and inserting it behind a partially plugged in phone charger, which can cause sparks, electrical damage, and even fire. In addition, it also encourages unsafe behavior of its typically younger audience. We found that each year, about 2,400 children suffer severe shock and burns from sticking small metal objects into outlets. Um, and a certain case that has dealt with the penny challenge where two 15-year-old boys actually got charged with 2 counts of attempted arson and 2 counts of malicious damage to property because they did the penny challenge at school. Our credits are here, and our group split up our project into 3 parts. I did the introduction as well as the penny challenge. Alexis covered the skull breaker and sex education, while Alex covered body positivity in the conclusion. Thank you.